इसमें लाइट जल रही है, इसमें लाइट जल रही है। ठीक है,
लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हो रहा, खाली सादा चल रहा है।
नहीं मतलब स्क्रीन चालू है।
हाँ
हाँ चल रहा है, मतलब चल रहा है। Oh man, there's a dog. The dog is looking quite excited, which means साला पीछे आएगा ये पक्का। भागो। There are 3 of them. Motherfucker. कीड़े करूँ क्या? Can't whistle from middle. Oh my god, they're coming towards me. Let's fucking leave. We want no violence. You know, I used to actually, you can say dream maybe. I used to actually truly feel the need that I wish I could have a camera when I'm cycling or walking. Because I get great thoughts, you know, when I'm cycling or when I'm walking. I'm the most inspired that time. But by the time I used to reach back home, and I would think about the same thing again, but it would not hit the same. It would not feel the same. That's the difference, you know. That's why I feel it's not what you say that truly counts. It's how you say and with what you say. So the with is a very important word before that. With का मतलब ये है कि with what sort of energy you could be saying the same thing. Hey man, whatever. You could be saying like something like, hey, I love you. But with what you say, with what sort of energy you say, that's what truly counts, you know. And truly, that's what makes the difference. I don't know if beaches are open right now. Let's give it a shot. I feel cycle is the most powerful mode of transport because it beats traffic, like literally beats traffic, man. This dog looks humble. This female dog, I would say female dog, I would be respectful. रास्ता बंद है क्या? रास्ता बंद है क्या?
नहीं, रास्ता तो खुला है, आप जा सकते हैं।
थैंक यू। Wow. How's the view, guys? Oh, my cycle is safe. Whoa, this is beautiful, man. ये देखो भाई, बियर और चकना लेकर आए. I don't blame them, man, honestly. Must be some vibe. मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं किया, but I had this, you can say, such kind of a wildness in me. The other person's carrying whiskey. And Bisleri, I'm so happy right now. I wish. I flip the camera. Those guys they don't know. I think I was wearing my headgear, and I just took it off from my cap, and they started reacting. Oh, भाई वो shoot कर रहा है. So I'm not shooting you guys. मैं अपने खुद के मजे ले रहा हूँ. ये देखो, who wants to eat? Good, यार. Super fun. I think I should be mounting my camera again, because this was not my intention to shoot myself. It is what it is, you know. Life knows more than you. That's the quote of the day. Now, that building is in the middle of a cloud. That is crazy, man. शायद वो building वो है some Raheja. That area is Mud Island. It's sad about the stuff people have thrown inside this. इतना गंदगी मचा रही है भाई, ये साफ भी नहीं होगी यार. People come here and drink and smoke. What's the matter, यार? The thing is, we should never say कि यार ये कंट्री अच्छी है, वो कंट्री अच्छी है. गॉड ने हर लैंड बहुत ब्यूटीफुल बनाया है. एवरी लैंड इज breathtakingly beautiful. It's the people who dwell over there, they fucked it up. I need to see if it's mounted well properly or not. That is mounted. Just burn 100-150 calories and then we are good to have a biscuit. I'm joking. That is definitely not the motivation, man. बिस्किट के लिए साला मैं 150 कैलोरी बर्न करूँ. Now right now this is speed 11:13 and I'm pretty satisfied with this speed, but if I was on my bike I would be like cruising on 20 can be an issue because we expect the bike to run faster, so we keep our normal at 40. This is quite strange, right? So what I'm trying to say with this, I feel riding anything with speed is directly connected to the greed. Man is greedy, which means man wants more. Wanting more has no bottom to it, has no end to it. You can keep wanting more and it will only and only end with a disaster or some sort of accident, or else God will step in. That's a nice bike. God will come to save. That's the reason people who encounter God in whichever form and take faith in the Creator, that is the greatest of all fortunes, because you got saved. I don't know who, why, it is beyond my capabilities to explain on that, nor do I wish to. It's a boring topic for me. So what I really was implying by its speed is the fact people die due to speed, or people want to speed, they want faster cars and bikes. All this directly connected to your ego. Ego is the lesser self. So every individual has an ego. So the lesser self is majorly made out of greed, which means one's tendency to always want more, and all the worldly businesses thrive on that energy. All the businesses and the worldly things capitalizes man's that tendency. Coming back to that speed, so big companies hire well-educated guys and people to create faster machines and the cars and the bikes, because that's the demand of the greed and they need to serve it, because that's what brings money to them. Have you ever heard somebody giving a feedback after an auto expo? Oh my god, everything is amazing about that bike or car. It's just too fast, Nobody gives a shit about it. Nobody says that, because being fast is seen as a quality, as a great quality of a vehicle, but I look at it as a disaster. So I believe there should be an exclusive category for speed, but I believe that whoever is in the power needs to kind of make an effort, to keep a section where speed is not encouraged, So basically, what am I even saying? That is not possible. That is far-fetched. Anyway, so forgive me because I have a tendency of drifting away from the topic, because I start pondering upon what I'm saying. So it's like I'm not talking to anybody else, I'm talking to myself right now. So So when I'm riding the bike, going back to the topic, 20 is nothing speed for me, and right now I'm at 11 constantly, and I'm feeling that I'm riding pretty fast the cycle. So people say that like if a human being is running on the ground at the speed what a human being is meant to run at, then I can say I'm damn sure a human being won't experience an accident which is life threatening. Because the pace of the man, even the maximum pace of the man, is generated by the man. So that won't destroy the man. Yes, worst case scenario, if they hit the wall on their head, that's a different topic. But if they fall, they should be like, if you end up with some bruises, worst case scenario, some bone fracture, this and that. Now imagine you're riding or you're moving at a pace that is not human, which can be any vehicle, bike or whatever. So when you are moving at a pace that is not human, you are going to experience the pain. That is not human. Which means that was only possible because you pushed yourself way beyond your human capacity. And that's why people die. The body cannot take that level of speed impact. This is just an open conversation. I'm not against speed or all of this bullshit. I'm just kind of mesmerized by the things that happen around us, बीच पे जा सकते हैं? मैंने परमिशन भी मांग ली। People are looking at me as if some alien has come the head mount. Look at this, man. This is like oh my god, this is so pretty. Should I do a run over here now? I don't mind actually. Of Ganpati, and they do this Visarjan. But bro, the point is, if you're doing this Visarjan, Mother Earth is getting impacted, which is the real Ganpati. So what's the point of, like, it's almost like just spitting at the face of the god, saying that we are celebrating you. It's almost like that. Look at this shit, bro. That's fuck all, man. That shit is fuck all. Some sentimental people can react because they don't listen. They want to just react. Oh, क्या बोल दिया? फर्स्ट ईयर क्या बोल दिया? अरे ब्रो यार, मेरी बात सुन, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ। वहाँ पे मेकआउट चल रहा है यार, ये नहीं करना चाहिए। I don't record them. Look at that beautiful moment. My shoes are dirty. I might as well just wash them a little bit. भाई क्या मौसम है यार। By the way, I'm scared of ocean, just so you all know. Humbling. मेरी प्यारी साइकिल वहाँ पे चुपचाप खड़ी है। तो भाई भाई मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि गणपति के जो एक्चुअल गणपति जो है मदर, उनको गंदा करके तुम्हें कौन सा ये क्या फेस्टिवल बन रहा है? पीपल आर गेटिंग अपसेट विद अदर पीपल। ओ भाई तुम मेरे विसर्जन पे नहीं आए, तुम मेरे घर पे नहीं आए, यू आर बीइंग अपसेट, यू आर एक्चुअली एंटरटेनिंग द डेविल। गॉड इज प्योर लव, अनकंडीशनल लव ब्रो। That takes courage and a lot of inner work, and not many people can do that. So it's easy to get upset and blame the God. In the name of the God, you are allowed to get upset and actually speak ill of other people. That's a worst sort of an attitude. And in Buddhism, they say that two people can be doing the same thing, but at the same time creating two completely different karmas. Because Buddhism speaks about so karma is not just that what you do on a physical level. Karma fundamentally and on a profound level means the volition, which means the intention of the heart with which you are taking part in an activity or in an action. So two people could be doing the same activity, literally identical same things, but they both would be making completely different karmas, creating completely two different karmas. Imagine one's heart is completely open and dipped in God, and the other person's heart is just like the normal secular world person. They're yawning and then they're bored. So the former person will be creating a lot of value out of their karma, and the latter, secondary person, will be just doing an activity, and the person can totally not do that. It will hardly make any difference. But to think that God will give you some sort of a blessing, and God has given you the blessing the moment you took birth, bro. You're alive, that's a blessing. Can you see that? No, you can't see that because you want more, and you're challenging the God to see the proof of the God. Give me something more, then I'll say, oh, God did this for me, did that for me. But God is saying, can you develop that big heart of gratitude and count your blessings that you already have, and then more will be added onto it. Can you do that? No, that's a hard path. Nobody can do that, bro. I feel like conversing and talking to some people right now. I'm feeling so nice. I feel this is a good podcast. I think it's a beautiful podcast. People can look around and hear me if they want to. It's almost like you're on a walk with me on the beach. You're sitting behind my cycle. You won't see much of me because this podcast is never about me. It's just about everything but not me. Now I don't know how much I was audible because this camera's mic is hyper sensitive. I don't know, it's capturing the sound of the wave more than my own sound. I don't know actually. It's been like half an hour exactly. I'm out. I should be going home now. My mother is waiting for me. अरे भाई जूते फिर से गंदे कर दिए. तो आपको यहाँ से कूदना पड़ेगा. What's up? People are paranoid of the camera. And there's a ghost on top of my head. मेरी बच्चे हैं भाई. बारिश रुक गई है यार, भागो घर पे अब। मैं एक बरसाती मेंढक था। ना स्माइल कर देता है। ये देखो अंकल बता रहे भाई, मूतरे अंकल बिजी, कांट ब्लेम हिम मैन। इतनी सुंदर जगह है, यहाँ मूतना तो बनता है। हर एज के फेज का स्पेल का लाइक 1 से 15, 15 से 30, 15 से 25, 15 से 30, ओके, 30 से 45, 45 से 60। हर एज का ना एक डोमिनेंट एक स्टेट और मूड होता है। मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जो यूथफुलनेस है, अनटेम्ड यूथफुलनेस, उसका जो डोमिनेंट जो मूड है वो है एरोगेंस। तो यूथ को पता भी नहीं होता कि भाई वो एरोगेंट है। They don't know that they are arrogant. You tell them something, they will start crying. शीशा नहीं है अंकल, लेफ्ट में शीशा। So they start crying, they throw all sort of fit, they think that they are being misunderstood because they don't have the capacity to reflect upon their own arrogance. We are back home. Now imagine how powerful that youth would be that has tamed its arrogance and embraced humility, which is supposed to come to you naturally, but with the passing and fading age, imagine you have that great quality in your youth. Oh my god bro, that's superpower. That is the real superpower. 230 calories man, 40 minutes की साइकिलिंग करी मैंने, नहीं बट बीच में चिल भी तो किया था। Cool man, I'm going home now. Nice talking to you all.